Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with a few project shares that I did. It's two projects I did live with Mrs Gigi on April 28th, which was Wednesday, and I have written down all the prompts because I'm gonna use them in a different video to do different projects, okay? And the first one is this one, where we had to use something brown, which I have a little girl die cut right here, and a napkin in the back, and I also used some crochet trim for brown. Now, next was something from the kitchen. So we had to find something from the kitchen to add to our piece here. So I got paper towel and made a tuck spot. Okay. Next was sew something. So I took this sorry applique here and I sewed it to the cardboard. Okay. Next was a die cut, which I did the little girl here. Lined paper. I did this myself on my computer. And then pink. I took a pink tape measure and trimmed it down. And then purple. And I have a purple stamp right there. Okay, that's this one. Now for number 2, the first one was scribble, so I just scribbled whatever all over the paper. Then we used Q-tips, which these are. I just cut the tips off and made a little frame. And then we had to use something violet, so I got a violet purple stamp. And then we used felt. I made a pocket right here for my felt. See it? Right here. Okay. And then we used an eye pin. An eye pin is just a piece of wire with a little loop at the top. They call it eye pin for a fancier name. Okay. And then we had to add numbers, so I went in and I wrote numbers all over. And then we had to add in lace, so I took some lace. I made a flower and a bow, and also put some lace here. And then some eyelet lace here. Okay, so these are the two projects that I made using these 14 prompts yesterday with Mrs. Gigi live. Okay, so I'm going to take these same 14 prompts, make 2 different videos, and show y'all another way that I use the prompts. Okay, this was using them as they came out of the container that I have them in. Okay, so I want to say this in closing. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload any sort of content or when I go live or do a premiere. Please be safe, be kind, be loving, be crafty, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, don't forget, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. See you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.